Here with the brawl. Champion, Catastrophic, Quakin, Barf and Belch, and Deadly Natter. No, that was a Gronkle, not a Quakin. Alright, well, I'm going to take out the Deadly Natter first. I don't know why I hit him. I should have hit Barf and Belch, but oops. I still got this thing.